Hi, everybody. This is lesson 27 um, that I didn't get to in class yesterday. Hopefully, everybody was, if you went ahead and started doing it, you understood it. If not, we're going to go over it right now. So, 27.1, we are adding 4 over x plus 6 over x plus a. This is just like in a regular fractional addition problem. We have to have a like denominator. So that means that we have to use both of these factors, okay? So it's going to be x times x plus a as the denominator. And so we're just going to look for what we had to multiply this by in order to get to here, okay? So I'm going to do that in a different color. I multiplied this times x plus a to get to x times x plus a. So I also must multiply the numerator by that. So that means that my new numerator is going to be 4x plus 4a. Okay, now let's look at the second term. I have x plus a here. What did I have to multiply this by in order to get x times x plus a? Well, I had to multiply it times an x, right? So I'm also going to multiply 6 times an x. So this is going to be 6x. All right, I'm going to switch back to black. So that's going to be 4x plus 4a plus 6x all over x times x plus a. I look for any like terms. That 6x and 4x are like terms, so it's going to be 10x plus 4a all over x times x plus a. And that's the whole answer because these are not alike, so we cannot add them together. All right, let's do another one. Look at 27.2, x plus 2 over x plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 over x squared. The common denominator is going to be x squared times x plus 4. So all three of these terms will have that common denominator. Okay, and then I'm going to look to see what I had to multiply by each of these terms in order to get that common denominator. So I'm going to actually just do it out to the side here. I had to multiply this times x squared. So I'm also going to multiply this times x squared. I had to multiply this times the whole shebang. So I'm also going to multiply that numerator by the whole shebang. Had to multiply this one just by the x plus 4. So I'm going to multiply this by x plus 4. Okay, so let's distribute all those. I'm going to do this first term first. This is going to be x to the third power plus 2x squared. The second one, I'm going to multiply this 6x squared together first and then distribute it. So that's going to be 6x cubed plus 24x squared. And then the third term is going to be 2x plus 8. All right, now I'm going to rewrite that, combining all the like terms and writing it over one denominator. So I'll probably do that in 2 steps just so that I don't make a mistake, which I can so easily do. All over x squared plus x plus 4. So this is x to the third, 6x to the third. So that's going to be 7x to the third. And this is 2x squared plus 24x squared, which is 26x squared. This is just plus 2x, and this is plus 8, all over x squared times x plus 4. I'm going to check it. That is correct, and this is all we can do with that because we don't have any more like terms. All right, last example. X plus 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 3 minus 1 over x times x plus 1. Okay, this is kind of a contrived problem, just to make you think a little bit. This is going to be much easier um, right here if you break this into its factors so that we can see what all the factors are. Then we'll be able to find the common denominator more easily. So this will factor into x plus, let's see here, multiplies to 3, adds to 4 is x plus 3, x plus 1. So if those are our two factors in this, then we can see that the thing that we're missing over here is that x and the x plus 3. So we're going to rewrite the denominator, the common denominator, as x times x plus 1 times x plus 3 for both of these terms. And then we're going to see what's missing and multiply that times the numerator. So what's missing here is the x, and what's missing here is the x plus 3. So we're going to multiply the numerator here by x, and we're going to multiply the numerator here by x plus 3. So when I multiply that out, that's going to be x squared plus 2x. And this is just going to be x plus 3. All right, and then I'm going to combine everything at the top, everything that is a common, has a common, that is like terms. I'm gonna combine. So I can combine these two. So it's gonna be x squared plus x plus 3 all over x times x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 3. Oh, I did forget to do something. Hold on. Erase this real quick. I forgot to do something very, very important here. So follow along. When I do this, I forgot about my minus sign here that has to distribute to both of these terms. So this should have read, sorry about that, x squared plus 2x minus x minus 3 all over x, x plus 1, x plus 3. So now if I combine these, it's going to be x squared plus x minus 3 all over x times x plus 1, x plus 3. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks a lot.